to my channel ViewMath. Now let's see the next problem. The line joining P minus 4, 5 and Q 3, 2 intersect the y-axis at the point R. PM and QN are perpendicular from P and Q on the x-axis. Find the three subdivision they have given. So first let me explain how they have given. The line joining P and Q intersect the y-axis at the point R. So P point, this is the P point, minus 4, 5. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Minus 4, 5 on the y-axis. This is the y-axis. So in y-axis 5 units they are taking. This is my x-axis. Okay. So P is minus 4, 5. So this point. Next Q is 3, 2. 3 is x-axis 1, 2 and 3. Now here it is 1, 2. So Q, this point Q, this is 3, 2. So what they have given? The line joining minus 4, 5. This was P point and Q intersect the y-axis at the point R. Now you can see the line PQ intersect the y-axis at this point and this point is called R. Okay. Now next, so what is the coordinate of R? So in y-axis x is equal to 0 we know. So I can write x coordinate is 0 and the ordinate, that is y coordinate, we doesn't know. So I'm just taking y. Now next what they have given, PM and QN are perpendicular from P and Q on the x-axis. Now so from P they are joining a perpendicular to the x-axis. So this is my x-axis and they are drawing a perpendicular to the x-axis, which is nothing but PM. And next QN, again here QN is a perpendicular to the x-axis. So this is QN they have given. Next what they are asking us to find out, they are asking us to find out the ratio. PR is to RQ, that is nothing but M1 is to M2 they are asking us to find out. This is very simple. So which value we know? The x coordinate I know. So with that if I proceed I'll be able to find out M1 is to M2. Next what they are asking us to find, they are asking us to find out the coordinate of R. Coordinate of R is 0, y. So x coordinate we know 0 and y coordinate I can find using the section formula. Next they are asking us to find out the area of the quadrilateral PMNQ. So this is the quadrilateral, you can see PMNQ, this quadrilateral area they are asking us to find out. So one by one let me proceed and find out. Okay. Now first they are asking us to find out the ratio M1 is to M2. So let me start. Solution. Let the ratio be M1 is to M2 and the point on the y-axis, be R. So R which is 0, y. Okay. Now with which value I know, I'm going to start with that. So let me write the formula first, the section formula. X is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. So let me substitute all the values. Now in this is my x1, y1 and q is x2, y2. Okay. So now let me substitute in the formula. X is 0 I know. So let me substitute x is 0. This is equal to M1 I need to find out. M1 into x2 value is 3 plus M2 I have to find out. And x1 value is minus 4 divided by M1 plus M2. So M1 plus M2 if I take to the left hand side it becomes 0. So 0 is equal to 3M1 minus 4M2. Now let me bring this 3m1 to the other side. It becomes negative 3m1 is equal to minus 4m2. Now m1 by m2 is equal to minus 4 by minus 3. So negative sign gets cancelled. So negative sign gets cancelled. So I'll be getting m1 is to m2 is equal to 4 is to 3. So first subdivision, they're asking us to find out PR is to RQ. PR is to RQ. PR is to RQ. That is nothing but M1 is to M2. So therefore we have found out the first subdivision, that is PR is to RQ is equal to 4 is to 3. So first subdivision is over. And now the second subdivision, I'm going to move to the second subdivision. They're asking us to find out the coordinate of R. So I know the x coordinate, I need to find out the y coordinate. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So in this, y2 is 2 and y1 is 5. So let me substitute it. Y value I need to find out. Let me keep it as it is. M1 just now we found out it is 4 and Y2 is 2 plus M2 is 3 and Y1 is 5 divided by M1 plus M2. So 4 plus 3. So this is equal to 8 plus 15 divided by 7. So this is equal to 23 by 7. So what is the coordinate of R they're asking us to find out? Therefore the coordinate of R is, x coordinate is 0 and just now we found out the y coordinate, it is 23 by 7. So second subdivision is over. Third subdivision is to find out the area of the correlator P, M and Q. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw a line parallel to the x-axis from the point Q. So what will be let me name it as S, and what will be the coordinate of S? Now y coordinate, the x coordinate is -1, -2, -3 and this is -4 I know. So it is -4 comma, the height is y axis, so y axis it is 1, 2, so here also it is 1, 2, so this is 2. -4 comma 2 is my S coordinate. So I have divided the correlator into two. One is right angle triangle and the one is rectangle. PSQ is a triangle and SMNQ is a rectangle. Now, so I have divided the correlator into two shapes, that is area of, now I need to find out the area of the correlator. Area of P, M, N, Q is equal to area of, I have divided into two, one is triangle and other one is rectangle. Area of triangle P, now you can see the triangle here, PSQ. So PSQ plus area of the rectangle, SMNQ. SMNQ. Okay. Now I know the area of the triangle formula, which is nothing but half into base into height plus what is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. So this is equal to half into what is the base of the triangle. Let me find out the base of the triangle. This is the triangle. Now this is the base of the triangle. Now what is the length of SQ? You can use the distance formula to find out the length of SQ, but by seeing the figure you can just tell me the length of the SQ, that is. So this is from y-axis to n. This is 1, 2, 3, so this is 3 units. And from y-axis to m it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units. So totally from S to Q or M to N, both are the same length. It is 4 plus 3, it is 7 units. So this is the base of the triangle. Now let me find out the height of the triangle. This height I have to find out. I know the total height. This is the height of the PM. PM is nothing but the y-axis. It is 5. So from here to M it is 5 units. Now from SM, that is from M to S, it is 2 units, this is 2 units. So remaining from S to P it is 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3 units. This is the height of the triangle. So I know the base of the triangle is 7 units and the height of the triangle is 3 units. So let me substitute it. Base of the triangle is 7 units and the height of the triangle is 3 units. Now coming to the rectangle, length into breadth. Length of the rectangle is M to N. So this whole length is the length of the rectangle. So just now we found out it is 4 units plus 3 units. So it is 7 units is the length of the rectangle. Height of the rectangle is this. Height of the rectangle is 2 units. So length into breadth is 7 into 2. So let me substitute 7 into 2. So this is equal to 7 into 3 is 21 by 2 plus 7 into 2 is 14. So let me take LCM. 2, 21 plus 28, which is equal to 49 by 2. So if I divide, I'll be getting 24.5 square units. So since it is area, I have to write square units. So area of the quadrilateral PMNQ is 24.5 units, square units. Next problem. In the given figure, line APB meets the x-axis at the point A and y-axis at the point B. P is a point -4, 2 and AP is 2, PB is 1:2. Find the coordinates of A and B. So what is given is in the figure APB meets the x-axis at the point A. So now you can see this is a line APB. It meets the x-axis at the point A and it meets the y-axis at the point B. P is a point -4, 2. Now they have given a point P. This is -4, 2 and it divides the AB. It divides the line segment AB in the ratio, that is AP is to PB is 1 is to 2 they have given. So AP is 1 and PB is 2. So this is a ratio in which P divides the line AB. Now they are asking us to find out the coordinates of A and B. Now let me take the coordinate of A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. Now you can see that the point A lies in the x-axis. In x-axis we know y is equal to 0. So now A is a coordinate. I can write A as x1, y1 is 0 because it lies in the x-axis So the coordinate of A is x1 comma 0. Now B coordinate, it lies in the y-axis. In y-axis x is equal to 0. So now the coordinates become x is 0 and y2 we doesn't know, so let me write it as y2. So the B coordinate is 0 comma y2. Now they are asking us to find out A coordinate and B coordinate. In A coordinate we know the y coordinate, I need to find out the abscissa, and in B coordinate I know the abscissa, I need to find out the ordinate. Okay, now let me proceed. Solution. I'm going to use a section formula to find out. So first I'm going to use the section formula for x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now in this, m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. So let me substitute. X is, now we know P is minus 4 comma 2. So this is x comma y. So now let me substitute. X is minus 4, m1 is 1 into x2. x2 value is 0. So let me substitute 0 plus m2 is 2 into x1. x1 value is same x1 only, divided by m1 plus m2, it is 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 1 into 0 is 0. So 2x1 in the numerator, and in the denominator it is 1 plus 2, it is equal to 3 minus 4. So let me bring this 3 to the other side. It becomes minus 4 into 3 is equal to 2x1. Now x1 minus 4 into 3 by 2 is equal to x1. 2 1 times, 2 1 times, and this one 4, it is 2 times 4. Okay, now 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6, so it is minus 6. So x1 is minus 6. Therefore, the coordinate of A, the coordinate of A is, so x1 value is minus 6, y1 value is 0 we know. So we have found out the coordinate of A. Next I need to find out the coordinate of B. So let me take the y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Y value is 2. So let me substitute 2. 2 is equal to m1 is 1 and y2 I need to find out, so let me keep it as it is. Y2 plus m2 is 2 and y1 is 0, divided by 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 2 is equal to y2, 2 into 0 is 0 by 3. Therefore y2 is 3. If I bring to the other side, it becomes 2 into 3 is y2. It is 6 is equal to y2. Therefore the coordinate of B is, x coordinate we know it is 0 and y coordinate just now we found out it is 6. So the coordinate of B is 0 comma 6. Next problem. Given a line segment AB joining the points minus 4 comma 6 and B 8 comma minus 3. Find the ratio in which AB is divided by y-axis. Find the coordinate of the point of intersection, the length of AB. They are asking us to find out. So what they have given a line segment AB joining the point. A is minus 4 comma 6 and B is 8 comma minus 3. Suppose if you take the x-axis and y-axis, minus 4 comma 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4 comma 6, somewhere it lies over here. A is minus 4 comma 6. Next 8 comma minus 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 comma minus 3 is 1, 2, 3. 8 comma minus 3 approximately lies here. So this is 8 comma, this is B, which is 8 comma minus 3. Now they are asking us, this line AB is divided by the y-axis. It is divided by the y-axis. So let me draw a line joining A and B. Okay. So what they are saying is the ratio in which AB is divided by the y-axis. So you can see this AB is being divided by the y-axis at the point here. So let me name this as some P. Okay. They are asking us to find out the ratio. AP is to PB. They are asking us to find out, and then they are asking us to find out the coordinates of the point of intersection. Now this point of intersection, this is y-axis. We know in y-axis x is equal to 0. So this point x is 0 and y, I have taken it as y itself. I have to find out this y coordinate. To find out the coordinate of the point of intersection. Then they're asking us to find out the length of AB using the distance formula we can find out. So let me proceed. Now first they're asking, let the ratio be M1 is to M2 and a point on the y-axis B and the point on the y-axis be P 0 comma y. So I need to find out the ratio. So with a known value, x is my known value. So with that I'm going to proceed. X is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2. So x value is, it is equal to 0. M1 I need to find out. Let me keep it as it is. Next x2. So this is my x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. So now let me substitute. X2 is 8 plus m2 I have to find out into x1 is minus 4 divided by m1 plus m2. So if I bring m1 plus m2 to the left hand side, it becomes 0. So 0 is equal to 8 m1 minus 4 m2. So let me bring this 8 m1 to the other side. Minus 8 m1 is equal to minus 4 m2. m1 by m2 is equal to minus 4 by minus 8. So I can cancel. The negative sign gets cancelled and 4 1 times and 4 2 times. So my ratio is m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. Therefore m1 is to m2 is 1 is to 2. So first subdivision we have found out. Next I need to find out the second subdivision. Second subdivision is find the coordinate of the point of intersection, that is the P coordinate. They're asking us to find out. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So y I have to find out. Just now we found out the ratio. M1 is 1 and y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 2 and y1 is 6 divided by m1 plus m2. So it is 1 plus 2. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 6 is 12 divided by 3. This is equal to 9 by 3. So if I cancel, it becomes 3. So y value is 3. So therefore the point of intersection. Therefore the point of intersection. Therefore the point of intersection is its coordinate is 0, 0, comma 3. So second subdivision we have found out. Next, the third subdivision is They're asking us to find out the length of AB. So I'm going to use the distance formula. A is minus 4 comma 6 and B is 8 comma minus 3. So x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Okay. Now what is the length formula? Length of AB is equal to square root of, first let me write the formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square less square root of less y2 minus y1 the whole square. So let me substitute in this formula to find out the length of AB. This is equal to square root of x2 is 8 minus x1 is minus 4. Already I have a negative sign here, so minus into minus becomes plus 4 the whole square, plus y2 is minus 3 minus y1 is 6 the whole square. So this is equal to square root of 8 plus 4 is 12 the whole square plus minus 9 the whole square. This is equal to square root of 12 into 12 is 144 plus 9 into 9 is 81. So this is equal to square root of 225. So 225, square root of 225 is 15 units. So we have found out the length of AB. Length of AB is 15 units. We have found out the third sentence.